Walked in with that cake like it's my fucking B-Day.
Get back in shit, nigga, back in bird.
The way a nigga ran these racks, so you thought it was a relay. Probably somewhere smoking a blizzy. While I ride through the city. Ayy, I know ain't no nigga around here fucking with me. I know all these niggas know in they heart that they ain't fucking with me. Ayy, I keep this shit 100, I keep this shit offended. Keep this shit 1K, little nigga. I'm probably somewhere running these racks up to the bank, little nigga. This no bar, but let nigga try send shots to the face, little nigga. This ain't a little ass gun, you be told this here is a K, little nigga. Treat nigga ass like a motherfucking roach, we catch me spraying a nigga. Only had sex with the hoe one time, she already been a nigga. Only play my little ass cousin, you think I'm playing with niggas? Ayy, niggas say he don't like me just last week, I swear to God he was a fan of a nigga. I'm back on your ass, nigga. And I ain't going inside no nigga club if that promoter ain't got them rats, nigga. I'm just pointing talking, none of you niggas ain't talking about cash, nigga. I just left my ex bitch for my new bitch cause her ass bigger. That boy say got peas, they full of seeds, we know that swag, nigga. All my old hoes wishing I fall off and it make me laugh, nigga. If you lost $1 at a time, you hate, you'll bend your ass, nigga. I get off that Drake, then beat her back, I don't need no damn jigger. She get loud, I tell her ass pipe down, I'm not your last nigga. Leave out early morning, come back at night, you ain't your damn feeling. Tell me that I'm wrong when I get mad, I don't do no damn business. Hit my phone, don't shout, your ass get blocked, we call that bad business. Ayy, ayy, cause I am not the one. Fucking this cougar bitch, she call me baby, bitch, I'm not your son. Hell no, you can't ride, better call a Uber, you ain't got your gun. My whole gang stay pulled up like a scripper, they ain't going for nothing. 12 get on your ass, best close your zipper and not tell them nothing. I get money all the time and do this little rap shit for fun. Pussy,
Be back in bird shit, nigga. Know the fuck going on. Come on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Backend. Happy birthday to you. The fuck? Nigga, it's not my fucking birthday. Fuck it.